Today, I want to show AI hallucination in action. If you are not aware of what AI hallucination is, it's when AI doesn't follow our instructions and keeps repeating the same mistakes again and again. This is called hallucination. While recording this video on October 26, 2025, hallucination is still very common in most of the latest AI models. I will demonstrate this with an example. Hallucination is quite common during vibe coding and is considered one of the major risks. Today, I'll show it in image creation. We started by uploading an image of a couple that was created by AI earlier and then gave a prompt to generate a new image. The output was very impressive. Next, I made a minor change to the prompt, asking it to generate an image of a smiling couple without showing teeth. At this point, it started behaving weirdly and kept generating images with smiles showing teeth. I repeated the instruction to make it clear, but still generating same image. Now we can see it completely slipping into hallucination mode. Then I started teasing it a bit. By the way, sometimes teasing works. I feel like AI also has an ego. But in our case, there was no luck. Interestingly, it acknowledged its mistake and even confirmed that it was fixed, yet shamelessly generated the same image again. This is AI hallucination in action. While we see tremendous progress happening in the AI world, as I mentioned earlier, hallucination is still very common during vibe coding. When the number of lines of code, the context window, increases, it tends to happen more frequently. This is considered a major risk when relying purely on AI for a project. For now, the best approach is to treat AI as a companion and ensure it is well supervised.